9, 2, 4, 7. Congratulations! This Porsche GT3 RS is yours! This is your winning number 374759247. How they are looking good there. Feeling pretty. I see you're very happy just to sit, look, touch, feel all the details inside this Ferrari. Purosan is the first ever Ferrari car with 4 doors and 4 full seats. But Maranello doesn't like to call it a crossover. For them, it's still a Ferrari, real Ferrari. Purosan, from Italian, is translated as purebred, and it fully reflects its character. Under the hood, there is a legendary 6.5-liter naturally inspired V12 with 725 horsepower. It can reach 100 only in 3.3 seconds, and the maximum speed exceeds 310 kilometers per hour. It really reflects the character of the car. Girls, let's go out and let's continue. Let's give away this Ferrari in our next stage, which starts today. But now, we are ready to begin. Yes! There you go. This is your victory, and this is Lucky Drive. Today we raffled away 5 Rolex Datejust, 25 iPhone 17 Pro Max, 25 MacBooks Pro, and most importantly, we found the owner of Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Next stage takes us to a new, unique level. This is Ferrari Purosan. Start the wait to rate today. The route to victory is the same. Make a deposit of $10 or more. Go to free money section and log in every day. Do it every day. The more tickets you have, the more likely you are to win one of our super prizes. This is Lucky Drive. See you soon in the game. Bye.